Hey y'all, so I am in my favorite place, my secret hiding spot. I already finished my glass of wine, so right now I'm just having some warm lemon water in one of my favorite glasses, and we are going to do a little unboxing. So this Chanel package should have gotten here yesterday, but I didn't get it until this afternoon, so I am extremely excited. I already opened up the bigger package. So now you get to see the really pretty, I think it's just the holiday ribbon that opens into the items itself. One quick tidbit, every time I order really anything, I get it packaged as if it were a gift. So when it gives you that option when you're checking out, is this a gift? I always say yes, because typically the packaging is a little bit prettier, but then you also get cards from the brand itself. So I've gotten some just blank, like I've checked off, yes, it is a gift, but I don't type a message into the card, and then I'll just repurpose those little cards for whatever. But with this particular one, I typed in cheers to lots of Luxe and Leisure in 2021. So I'm probably just gonna hang this on the mirror and kind of use it as a little affirmation card. But that's something that I always do. I always select, yes, it's a gift. Sometimes I write little notes to myself, but I always try to get the card. I feel like I smell something. So the reason I'm smelling it is because I ordered one of these items before for a giveaway, and as soon as I opened the box, it smelled amazing. This one does not smell as good, so I'm a little slightly concerned, but we'll see, All right, here's what it looks like untouched. This little bag, I actually had this thought today. I have a Chanel makeup or a cosmetic bag that, you know, makeup is messy, and I feel like the bag is getting ruined. So I don't want to keep all of my makeup in that bag anymore. So I think that I may start to use some of these little Chanel drawstring bags that they use for your samples. So that's the only thing that's in here. I got the Gentle Bi-Phase Eye Makeup Remover. I'm 33. So this is the time, and actually I'm probably a little behind the curve, but this is definitely the age where you special attention to the décolletage and the under eye area, all that tugging, especially because I wear under eye concealer just to kind of brighten up my face. But all that tugging of putting concealer on every day is slowly creating fine lines and wrinkles and bags, and I know it. So I'm trying to be a lot better about how I apply makeup, how I apply eye creams, and then how I remove makeup. So that's why I selected this particular sample. The other sample is the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. I just love a good serum, so we'll see how this works. Let's see, let's do cotton, nothing fancy. I got this partially for decor, but kind of to my previous point that I'm wanting to just pay a little bit more attention to my under eye area. These are the extra soft cotton pads. So I'm hoping to use these with the eye makeup remover, you know, just to kind of be a little bit gentler. And each one has the Chanel logo embossed on it. You get in this box 100 cotton pads for 20 bucks. 20 bucks. So I'm probably gonna title this video Budget Looks, because for a number of different reasons, this is gonna come up in another video or blog post, but I don't anticipate purchasing as many luxury items as I did last year. I have some other stuff. I will definitely be spending money. It just will not be on handbags. But realistically, I know that I want to buy myself some nice things. So I'm paying special attention to ways that I can create a feel-good experience that does not include splurging or spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So that was kind of my train of thought when I was choosing some of these items. This is the Chanel No. 5 soap. This is what was included in my previous giveaway. Oh yeah, I can't. Chanel beauty products, in my opinion, just are the epitome of femininity and elegance and luxury. This bar of soap was 20 something bucks. I'm getting into perfume more, so I was a little bit hesitant to go out and buy a Chanel perfume. I wanted to try a couple other things just to make sure that I even liked the scent. So a couple weeks ago, I went to Ulta and just kind of tested out some different Chanel scents, and I found a few that I actually really, really liked. Chanel No. 5, you cannot go wrong with. That's a classic, right? Actually, now that I'm smelling the soap, I'm like, oof, I might have to add that to the collection. But in the store, I did love it. I was just like, not really ready to buy perfume. But y'all, this soap it is heavily perfumed, but the scent itself is so clean and fresh. You ever like had a woman walk past you and you were just like, ooh, what are you wearing? Like, that's this kind of scent. It's not overpowering, but it definitely has a presence. Miss No. 5, cotton pads, 20 bucks, soap, 24 or 26, I think. If you go back to some of my previous blog posts, Instagram posts, I talk a lot about my spa obsession. One of my travel goals is that every new city that I visit, I incorporate a spa day into that trip. And so, of course, with COVID and just cutting back on travel and life happening, I have not visited a spa in a while. So I am wanting to create more of that experience every day versus waiting for a special occasion or waiting to travel. Like, I'm going to make this space that I'm in all the time an everyday spa. So these kinds of products help you do that, and you're not having to go out and spend a ton of money. Chanel handbags, for example, are incredibly expensive. There's always talk about price increases, and this year at least, it's not in my budget to buy a Chanel bag. I still love Chanel. I still love everything that the brand represents, but it will just not come in the form of a handbag for me this year. So again, I just really like that you can get items like this for under 100 bucks, under 50 bucks, and still get that same feel-good experience. Now, this is what I've been waiting for. The Chanel, so this is classic Chanel No. 5. This is Chanel No. 5 Low. Chanel No. 5 Low is being considered the modern take on the classic Chanel No. 5. The description says that it had mandarin orange and lemon. One of the things that I realized when, doing all these different spa visits is that a lot of spas use citrus scents. So some of your sense of smell is deeply connected to different memories. So when I think about these trips and being in these different cities, it's connected to the smell of citrus because of the spa trip. So the more spas I visited, the more I started to incorporate citrus into just my everyday shower routine. So I have a few different lemon soaps that I really like to use. So when I saw that the Chanel No. 5 Low was a citrus scent, I was like, oh my God, it's the best of both worlds. You get classic Chanel, but with a modern spin. And I can tell you that just from opening this box, y'all, I think it's good. Actually, let me show you a quick size comparison. So this is the little egg hand cream that you see a lot of people on Instagram with. The hand cream is 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. And the Chanel No. 5 Low is 3.4 fluid ounces. So twice the size or twice the amount, and it's cheaper. So this I think is more trendy. I had someone ask like, is that really a good hand cream? I'm like, it's fine, it does the job, but I think it's more of a photo prop and not necessarily because it's just a fantastic product. Obviously loves a tricky packaging. So when I got this egg, I was like, how the hell do you open it? Okay, so it's a very fine line around it and you twist it off and the cap comes off completely. And then there's a little hole at the top where the lotion comes out. Just now, I'm struggling to open this one. Fortunately, they have a little diagram on the box that shows you how to open it. If you twist the top, then it just slides open. So let's see. See that? Cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can definitely smell the citrus, but it's not what you think something orange and lemon and mandarin scented would smell like. So clean and so fresh. I am obsessed already. I was hesitant to get the perfume, but honey, Miss Lowe, this is amazing. It's in the air. So good. But, so they're very different. This is like early evening scent. This is a great, fun daytime. Obviously you can wear them anytime, but they're like, now that I have both of them, I can smell the differences, but oh my God. Can't speak to how it feels on the skin, but can tell you that this smells phenomenal. Phenomenal. This is like staple scent. This is, I only wear Chanel perfume type of smell. Head to your nearest department store or Ulta. I was actually surprised. I didn't realize that Ulta had such a nice selection of luxury perfumes. They had a really nice layout. Head somewhere with your mask and give these a whiff. See if you like them. Keep in mind that the perfume, sometimes, not always, and obviously I don't have the perfume with me in hand to compare it to, but sometimes the perfume smells a little bit different when it's in lotion form. So go and smell it for yourself, but I think kind of the same way I did, before you take the plunge and you buy an expensive bottle of perfume, you can test out the soap for the 20-something bucks. You can grab a bottle of the lotion for under 50 bucks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my follow-up once I've tried the soap and possibly the perfume, because damn. All right, see y'all later.